roughly the
10 billion.
We're brothers. We're happy and we're vlogging and we're colored. Do-do-do-do. Give me a high five. Oh, come on.
What's good, Brody? Listen, man, we got a good one for y'all today.
Yes, sirs, baby, we got a conspiracy theory. Look, man, what if we detonated all the nuclear bombs
At once, man. Hey, y'all know how we like to get y'all brains boggling and everything.
brains moving
And thinking with us, man. So we hope y'all finna enjoy this video. Make sure you hit that like button.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button,
And make
baby.
sure you got the notifications on, because if you don't, you're not gonna know when we upload another
But even
video.
though it's the video, bro, you gonna miss a good time, bro.
Hey, but hey, we finna go ahead and get into this, man.
Okay.
Let's go. Okay, here we
right.
go.
Many of our viewers
Listen,
have asked
listen.
us a very serious question.
Okay.
What if we made a big pile of bombs and exploded every nuclear weapon in the world all at once?
Oh, that would be bad,
That
bro.
would not be good, bro. These everybody.
That's what I'm saying. What are you saying?
We gathered together a few
Okay.
scientists
Okay.
to calculate what would happen.
Right.
And find an answer to this.
Listen, you don't even need a few scientists
Right,
to calculate what
common
would happen.
sense.
Listen, everybody would be dead.
Everybody would be dead,
Come on, bro.
You know what I'm saying? Even if we shot them up into space, bro. You know that the cloud and stuff waste gonna rain down on the earth.
Oh,
bro,
the
we
nuclear
still gonna die.
waste?
Yeah, either
The radiation.
The radiation. Either that, either we gonna die or the animals gonna get big, bro. Come on now, y'all seen Love and
Oh,
Monsters?
y'all seen it, man. All the bugs gonna get mutated
All the
and
bugs
stuff.
gonna get big.
Listen, it will be bad, but let's keep going, man.
Keep going.
Let's hear what the scientists got to say.
Let's hear what the officials got to say.
There
Come on.
are 15,000 nuclear weapons.
What'd you say? Go back.
Bro, it's 15,000
15 what? 15,000?
Listen.
Why is there that many?
Listen.
Problem
Listen.
once and for all.
Listen.
Currently, there are 15,000 nuclear weapons on Earth.
15,000.
Russia both have around 7,000, while France, China, the UK, Pakistan, India, Israel, and North Korea have around 1,000 between them.
What's up with the US and
listen.
France?
Oh, man. Oh,
Hey,
man.
hey,
Listen.
hey,
Oh, man.
what's up with 15,000
Oh,
when
man.
5 could destroy our planet, bro?
Oh, come on, bro. Y'all got 15,000 nuclear warheads?
So that's what they be spending $700 billion a year on.
That's
huh?
what the U.S. be spending all that money on. Listen,
Mhm.
y'all think that's
Destruction.
smart? You think that's smart?
Come on now, bro.
Y'all spending all that money on destruction.
Tell them what they doing.
Come
bro.
on now, the wrong thing.
The
That's
whole
what you
thing,
doing.
bro. Y'all spending all that money on death when you could be spending that money on growth.
On growth and helping out the homeless.
Helping out the homeless
and maybe
and
let's
feeding the homeless.
and space travel.
And space travel.
And making sure the people on Earth is good.
Instead of making sure they can die.
Come on now, y'all gotta use y'all brains. Listen, y'all listening to Brody vlogs
Look,
right
bro,
now, man.
Humanity is devolving right now, not evolving.
Devolving.
Okay,
Come
so
on
we
now.
need to get to moving
Come on
forward,
now.
not backwards.
Stop playing. Let's
Stop
get it.
playing.
Come on.
Pakistan,
All these damn warheads.
Shaking my head, bro.
Between them.
Shaking my head. What's
How much
up?
destructive power is this really?
Right.
Let's try to put these numbers into perspective.
Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on. Put it in perspective to me.
Put it in perspective.
I'm ready. Okay. In a nutshell.
In a nutshell.
Let's get it. Shout out to him.
There are about
Kyrgyzstan.
4,500 cities or urban areas with at least 100,000 inhabitants.
Right, right.
And others, so
100,000 people in 4,500
we need
cities.
3 nuclear
Damn.
bombs to completely wipe out one city.
Hold on, what did it say?
He
What did it
said
say, y'all?
3
What did it
nukes
say?
per city.
But on average, we need 3 nuclear bombs to completely wipe out one city.
I don't
Okay.
believe that one.
We could destroy every single city on planet Earth with our nuclear arsenal, killing more than 3 billion people, roughly half of humanity, in an instant.
Oh my God, y'all. We gotta go back. We gotta go back.
What?
We gotta go back to that. Let's listen again. Let's
We
listen.
could destroy every single city on planet Earth with our nuclear arsenal, killing more than 3 billion people, roughly half of humanity, in an instant.
Oh my God.
3 billion.
1,500 nuclear weapons left.
Still.
Oh my God. Oh my
What?
God. Bro, so they saying
They
that
can
we
kill
can
3
wipe out
billion people.
we can wipe out the entire population with 13,500 nukes. Am I correct?
13,500
nukes. Come on, are you
Not
serious?
half the population.
About half? Okay.
Because he said about 3 nukes per city, but I doubt that, brother.
But he said 3 billion.
He said 3 billion people, when you know it's about 7 billion people. So
Right,
it's
right.
about half.
And then he said 1,500 nukes left, bro. That's
Because
we do not need all these nukes.
this destruction, man.
This is terrible.
Terrible, man.
It's terrible.
Come on now.
Come on, bro.
Called overkill.
Overkill for sure.
finds that we have a lot of nuclear.
Hey, bro, all this bad stuff, see? This is why y'all gotta watch it, you know what I'm saying? Protect your energy. Because all this bad stuff can inspire you to do bad, bro.
Really?
But you know what I'm saying? You can protect your energy while letting bad stuff inspire you to do good, bro.
Oh, God.
Like, all this bad stuff got me inspiring to do good, you know what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I want to do right now? I want to grill some food, you know what I'm saying?
Grill
Pass
some
out.
food? Oh,
Just
God.
cook it, you know what I'm saying?
Right,
Like,
listen,
cook
oh
food.
God,
Pass out some
listen, watch this video and want to do good for yourself and want to do good for the human race. You feel what I'm saying? Cause listen, all these nukes, listen, we a new generation, right? All these nukes was made by old heads. You know what I'm saying?
Old heads.
They was over here. Come on now.
over here.
We need to get over here. Come on now.
They experienced the Civil War, all that shit. We didn't, okay? It's a new world, new day.
Oh God,
we don't need none of that.
We need to learn. We need to learn from all the wars and stuff. We don't need no more wars, okay?
We don't need no more wars, bro. None of that. I ain't trying to have no bombs. Shoot.
Let's go.
Boom.
Oh,
And
God.
then, wave of fires. Dead.
Come on,
Okay.
you're not
I'm
trying
not
to-
trying to see that happen.
You're not trying to have a nuke drop on your head. Listen, and I'm not trying to have people in different countries nuke drops on their head.
Come on now, bro.
Listen.
You see all the bad stuff going on?
All humanity matters. Stop
All
playing.
humanity matters.
Come on now, we gotta play smart out here when it comes to life. Let's get it, y'all. Come on.
Do a lot of damage.
It can do a lot of damage.
Duh.
Make a huge pile of all 15,000 bombs and pull the trigger.
Right?
Let's drop our nuclear bomb.
They gonna wipe the planet off the earth like Frieza did planet Vegeta.
You think so?
Yeah, I think so.
Warehouse.
Okay, hold on, listen.
The US warhead has the power of 200,000 tons of TNT.
Ooh,
so
US
15,000
warhead.
warheads would be the equivalent of 3 billion tons of
Y'all see my
TNT.
face?
Oh my God.
This is enough to rebuild the whole island of Manhattan with every building and skyscraper using stacks of TNT.
Whoa.
The closest thing we can compare
That's
to the
crazy.
actual is-
Hey, bro, I love analogies, bro.
Dog, I'm talking
I love
about you got it, bro. Whenever you keep coming with a fire point, bro, you gotta come with a fire ass analogy.
I'm telling you, listen.
Fire
analogy,
analogy,
bro.
oh God,
You
bro.
got to, bro, because you gotta put it in perspective for people to think about.
that don't-
They be
they can't understand.
for people that can't understand, because you might be like, well,
Well,
that
that's
idea,
what-
well, that sounds stupid until you put it as in an analogy, and then you get them thinking, well, damn,
They be like,
that do make sense. I do see what you're saying.
I guess you're right.
Come on now, put it
Yeah,
in
I know I
analogy.
am right.
Come on, let's get it.
Fire.
Volcanic eruptions in recorded history took place in
What is
1883 on the island of Krakatoa. The
Krakatoa.
eruption was
Where is
so
the
powerful
Toa?
that 70%
It said crack a pow.
I'm
The
dead.
eruption was so powerful that 70% of the island and the surrounding archipelago was destroyed, killing tens of thousands of people.
Damn.
It's a
R.I.P.,
felt
man.
around
R.I.P.,
the
man.
world for days after
Destroying
the
all
event.
them people's lives.
Our nuclear
Listen.
pile contains 15 times the energy of the Krakatoa volcanic eruption.
15 times, y'all.
Finally push the button. 3, 2,
Oh.
1.
Oh, y'all see what it was though? Y'all see what it was that caused the nuclear explosion? It was Twitter.
It was Twitter.
Look at the bar.
No cap.
It was Twitter.
It was Twitter. Bruh, destroy Twitter right now.
Twitter. It was Twitter. Twitter gonna be.
They give me signs right here.
Twitter gonna be the downfall of us. Y'all better stop the birds. Context clues, but we not gonna go too deep.
We're not gonna go too deep, bro. People be like, it's just an image, it's just a YouTube video. They put everything in front of your face.
stay listening. Stay listening. Okay, stay listening. Come on.
Push the button.
So, oh damn, it's over.
In a second, a fireball
Damn, bruh. Damn, bruh. Twitter, bruh.
vaporizes everything in its way and creates
We
a
ain't
blast
gonna go
that
there.
flattens
Oh,
2,000
man.
square kilometers of forest.
He said within
Every
seconds.
living thing within 250 kilometers will start to burn.
Oh.
He said every living thing.
Now it's either gonna
See?
kill them or it's gonna mutate them.
Mutate them, bro.
Okay, that's an option.
On me, that's an option that people ain't taking into account, bro. Like, look, one of two things can happen: die or mutate, bro.
Literally.
And mutate, we don't want to happen.
We don't want to happen, bro.
We
Because
don't-
if
we don't
if
want
something
to die
mutate,
either, bro.
oh my
Birds
god,
got life.
that's what I'm saying. Birds and insects and they all got lives.
They all got lives.
Trees got lives.
Trees
bro.
got lives,
They
and we
provide oxygen, bro.
Oxygen, bro. We don't need their lives to be mutated, bro.
Exactly, bro. Come on,
Y'all
man.
scientists is playing with fire here.
Hey, scientists playing with fire.
And a large
Literally hot, burning, black Amaretsu fire.
Grease.
Grease.
hundreds of
Playing
kilometers
with grease.
downwind.
Okay,
The
wildfires.
fallout is carried high into the atmosphere by the mushroom cloud.
Dang,
and
Look at
carried
the
around
mushroom
Look at
cloud.
the earth is. Y'all
The amount
get
of
up.
radioactive material in the environment doubles worldwide, which still isn't civilization ending,
Ooh.
but we may see more cancer for a while.
Oh, a lot of cancer.
And mutations.
Yeah.
Will flow to the edge of space for years and cause a nuclear winter that could lower global temperatures by a few degrees.
A nuclear winter?
This explosion
Whoa.
was pretty bad if you're in South America and especially Brazil. The
Rio.
Amazon rainforest is
I'm dead.
which is not great. But human life will go on.
Okay.
But what if we explode more nuclear weapons?
Right, let's hear that.
Let's hear that. Just for the fun of it.
Just for the fun of it, man. Let's get it.
I want to hear if they're going to detonate it near the sun. What happened in?
Decided to mine every bit of uranium on Earth and build as many nuclear bombs as possible.
Oh my God.
At current usage, it's estimated that there are around 35 million tons of uranium in Earth's crust.
Okay.
Enough to power human civilization for over 2,000 years, or to build millions of nuclear warheads. For the sake of argument.
So they said, listen here.
Right.
We can get this uranium and we can power civilization.
Right.
Or we can build bombs.
Right.
Let's build bombs.
Let's build bombs.
What the hell wrong with people, bro?
That's how they think
That's how they think nowadays.
They like, why help out the people when we can build bombs? Oh my God, and get guns. Oh my God. Oh,
What is this? A giant game of Call of Duty?
Wait, what is it? What y'all think y'all playing with life, man? Y'all playing? Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh man, we gotta keep going there.
Let's say we create a bomb.
We gotta keep going.
Shake my damn head.
Oh my
Which
God.
makes up a cube 3 kilometers high that contains roughly the
10 billion.
impact that ended the age of
Look at the Empire State
10
Building.
billion.
Look at the Empire State Building.
10 billion Hiroshima bombs. The Empire State Building a penny, bro.
Mentioned that every corner of the planet is covered with radioactive fallout.
Nah, you didn't mention.
No. It's a very important detail.
This is humanity's extinction event.
Look what's crawling though. A damn cockroach.
A damn
Bro,
cockroach.
how cockroaches can survive through anything? What the hell?
Cockroaches is like the Iron Man bug.
Hey,
bro.
you know they really say that cockroaches can survive a nuclear explosion.
Yeah, they
too.
say that. They say that.
Like-
They can survive a nuclear explosion.
How, man?
Right.
How is that possible?
Right.
Right, yeah, how come a cockroach? Why can't an ant? Why can't a spider? Why can't a snake? Why can't a lizard?
get cold?
Come on, bruh.
Bruh.
Like,
Come on.
damn. It's just cockroaches. It's little cockroaches, man.
Little cockroaches, man. You see them.
Astronauts aboard the International Space Station get to enjoy a great view for a while, but it's not unlikely that the spray of rocks blast into orbit will destroy the station.
Oh, bro.
Damn.
Imagine you being in the space station, right? And you seeing that, and you like, oh my God, oh my God, like this is not good for the human race.
You gonna be like,
Listen,
all my
listen,
family dying.
You gonna be like, all my family dying. You gonna be like, but at least we good. Look, 5 minutes later, boom, boom. You thought you was safe.
You thought you were gonna be able to do this, but your body's gonna be a Christian.
Congratulations, you played yourself. That International
yourself.
Space Station was not a smart decision either, man. Let's get it.
Bunkers or in submarines deep below the ocean surface may survive the longest before they exhaust their food supplies and have to venture out for more.
Right.
They'll find the world a charred, freezing, radioactive wasteland.
Damn.
Oh my
The planet
God.
itself doesn't care at all. After just a few million years, the wounds of the explosions have healed and life is thriving, arguably even more so than when humans were around.
Oh
If
wow.
intelligent
Wow.
life-
You know why I
Big
say?
ass
You know
animal.
why he just said even more so after humans ain't around, bro? It's because humans is destroying this planet,
Bruh,
Like we didn't already said in this video that humans rather build bombs, put money towards guns, and put money in towards what actually matters: the human race. Go ahead, Nick.
Listen here, bro. Humans don't do nothing but take, and use, and don't do nothing to give back. Okay,
what I'm
look, and so
saying.
that's why we destroying shit, and that's why I said we devolving, bro. You gotta think about it, bro. Humans, bro. The reason humanity and life evolves, bro.
Right.
Life evolves because of the things that it do, right?
Right.
Think about why animals are still evolved, cause they still in their natural habitat, still eating the stuff, still gotta find their food, still gotta do all this. Humans, we got technology and all this stuff, so this is stopping us from not only evolving, but now we've got complacent, lazy, and just straight up diabolical.
Man.
Okay, this is just ridiculous.
It's
You know what I'm
ridiculous,
saying?
man.
I'm just like,
It's
man, I'm
ridiculous.
going for hours, man. We going for hours,
Oh,
bro.
God.
But we just gonna say, bro,
Yeah.
whatever Chrissy said before I did, cause now I done forgot. Man.
Yeah, now you
But
good.
anyway,
We
let's
gonna
keep going,
continue,
bro.
man. We gonna
Keep
continue.
going,
We
bro.
almost done with this, man.
happened. When they studied
Oh yeah, humans messed shit up. That's what we're gonna say.
Yeah, for sure.
layer of rock covering the entire
What is
world, enriched in radioactive elements like uranium and the other nasty things it decays to, mixed with rare earth metals and plastics that humans used,
Right.
they would probably be very, very confused.
Who he saying gonna be confused?
The aliens.
All he's saying is
Yeah,
aliens,
he
man?
talking about
I was
distant
wondering
aliens.
why bro had a tail.
More so than when humans
All right, listen.
were around. If intelligent life emerges again, it might be able to work out what happened. When they study geology, they'll find a bizarre and very thin...
It might be able to work out what happened. Listen, y'all, the Big Bang Theory, that's just a theory. That ain't actually what happened. But
we don't know what happened.
But that's another story for another day,
video,
for another video. Yes, sir.
of rock
You know what I'm
covering the
saying?
entire world, enriched in radioactive elements like uranium and the other nasty things it decays to,
Right.
mixed with rare earth metals and plastics that humans use.
They gonna be like, what is this?
What is this?
Rubber ducky.
Very confused.
Like I was going to say earlier, I remember what I was going to say, bro, real quick. The humans, bro, we think we are like the dominant species. We're not the most dominant species on Earth,
Right.
bro. And we take away from all these other species, bro. So that's why they say life will thrive more. Because if humans gone in, we can't kill cows and all this stuff to get our meat. We can't destroy the planet, get what we need, and all this other stuff, bro. And everything would just prosper.
Prosper, man. It's a whole bunch of stuff, man.
Whole bunch of
Hey,
stuff.
if y'all want to hear more from Brody, man, about this, about life and everything, because
Yes,
we just
sir.
said some very interesting stuff in this video,
Very
man.
real
hey,
stuff.
Very real stuff. Let us know down in the comments, man, because we are very, very willing to bring more stuff like this to
No
y'all.
cap,
Make
bro.
sure y'all hit that subscribe button so y'all can stay in tune with us, man.
Make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get every single video when we post it,
And
bro.
make sure you hit that like button because if you help us go a long way, man, we really
Help
really
the boys out
appreciate it.
for real, bro.
Facts, man. Hey, if you want to get some G Fuel, man, you can get it right now. It's 30% off.
The phone call and you get a shout out, bro. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you go do that, bro. It's still
Right.
through April 12th. It's still got time, bro. So go do that right now, man.
Hey, man, we hope y'all enjoyed the video, but without further ado, let's go.
3, 2, 1, bitch, I'm finna take off. With my snow bunny